concealer. This is so good. Organic barley tea, barley coffee, ginger juice, choco barley. It's so good. Classic coffee. And there's mocha, milk tea, yum yum yum. To brew juicy coffee, choco barley. This is all the juicy juice. So this is the collagen barley. So ito ang serum product ng G. Ang ganda niya. Whitening cream.